Hello, my name is Nick Zaganish, and today I'm doing a presentation on assessment activity in children from COVID-19. Anxiety impacts children in 3 ways that I found online from the articles. First, physical. How a student appears by one's eyes. Are they healthy? Children with anxiety will not take care of themselves. Personal hygiene is bad. Secondly, thoughts. What are they thinking? A student with anxiety may incorporate darker themes into their artwork or writing. Thirdly, behavioral. How a student acts in front of everyone, such as up to no good or don't have the motivation to do daily activities. Focusing on COVID-19, it has resulted in worse consequences for children. Kids are weaker at controlling their own personal emotions and have a lower understanding on how emotions work. In most cases, they don't get taught at an early age. Now with the virus, it's more important than ever to communicate our feelings. This takes me into one of my anxiety-reducing strategies teachers should use for students, that being able to teach emotional vocabulary. Break it down into small steps for children to easily follow along. As the teacher, I would demonstrate a facial expression. For example, smiling. This will teach students to comprehend the meaning of happiness by observing the facial expression presented to them. Students will now have the ability to identify the face to a feeling. This will teach students how to express themselves to people around them, instead of bottling up their feelings that need to come out. This will also decrease the odds a student gets diagnosed with anxiety disorder. Another example that could represent a negative emotion over a positive emotion is if a student acted up in the class. I would frown, indicating my disappointment to the entire class. Students need to know both positive and negative emotions exist and are completely normal for everyone, because we as adults encounter this daily too. I'd assign and have books available for students to read. This way, while students read, it's educating them personally since it connects towards all students.